Herein guys, we have installed the Bridge theme. Here you can see the first thing you need to do is install the required plugins. Let us click on it. So these are some plugins. At first I would suggest you to install the Bridge core, which is very much required. Click on it to install. Installed successfully. Return to required plugins installer. Click on activate. It is installed but not activated. Click on activate. So we have activated it. Refresh. On refreshing, now you can see after activating the Bridge core plugin, all the code options and everything is visible. Bridge dashboard is also visible. Code slider, carousel, gallery, everything is visible. Click on code options because you have just installed. Click on code options and just click on save changes. So it will save the global changes on code. Okay guys. So now go to dashboard. So guys, now we will see how we can import demo content for our Bridge theme. We have installed Bridge theme on our WordPress website. Okay guys, so before that you need to register your theme. If you remember, we downloaded it. Here was the page wherein we downloaded by clicking here because we paid for it. Now we need the purchase code for it. So here it is. Every theme will have a unique code and you can use it only on a single website. I'll click on here to get the PDF of it. Here is the PDF. You can open here or you can click on here to open. Click on open. So herein guys, here is the license certificate for our theme. We paid for it. Here is the item purchase code. You just need to copy it. That's it. Go to your website. Click on Bridge dashboard. Click on it. So herein guys, we already added it. Herein you need to just add the same purchase code which we saw here in the PDF, which is only for you because you paid for it. After that you need to also add your email ID and that's it, and click on register. Right now it is showing deregister theme because we already registered it. Okay guys, so everything is fine. Now click on import. Herein you can find the themes and import demo content. So here are all the themes available. You can select the categories here to get the specific theme. Let's say we want business themes. I'll click on business. So here are guys, the business themes are visible. If you want to search, let's say you want themes for specific keyword form. So the following will be visible. Let's say I want for factory. So the same theme is visible. I'll click on it. On clicking, you can see you can now import demo content. Why? Because you paid for the theme, we added the license, and that's why we are allowed to import demo content. Now you need to just install these three plugins because these are only for this specific theme demo. After that you will import it. Now let us install all three of them before moving further. I'll click on install for each one by one. Click on install. Return to required plugins installer. And another one was contact from 7. Return. Activate. Activated. And we also installed WP Bakery Visual Composer. Activate. And the last one was Revolution Slider. Click on it to install. Only these three were required. Return to required plugin. Now we have installed the required ones. Now activate it. That's it guys. Now we will go to Bridge dashboard again. Import. Search again. Click on it. Now let us see anything is required. activated. But this is the thing we need to work on. So after that, after working on this, import type all is the best option. Import attachment, yes, we want the website like this, the demo example like this. So let us see how this will look before clicking on import. We just type bridge theme. Here demo is visible. So here in all the options will be visible for demo. So the same filters will be visible. I'll show you how. Click on demos and features. Herein guys, go to below. Now the filter will be visible above. Here it is. This is how we searched it. The following filter was visible here. You can see here. You can search factory again, press enter. Now the same theme is visible, factory. Click on it. So after importing this complete all with attachments, on clicking import, it will take some time to import based on your internet connection, and the following website will be visible. The similar one will be visible because you have imported, because you will because you have imported all the images also, attachments also, and the entire website. So we will just click on import now. Click on import. So guys, before importing, we will see how we can fix this. So I'll click on cross system info. So we saw that under system information, two errors are visible: PHP time limit and PHP max input wires. So what are these? The PHP max input wires basically is the number of variables your server can use to run a function. This should be set to 3000 and above, but right now it is only 1000. So when you will import a theme, let's say on WordPress, so you may get an error. So you need to update this as well as the PHP time limit. Now what is PHP time limit? You can say it is the amount of time that your site will spend on a single operation before timing out. So it is now set to 30 seconds. It is by default 30 seconds. So you need to definitely update it, because let's say you're importing a theme on WordPress, it won't take 30 seconds. It will take a lot of time based on internet connection. So if the time limit of 30 seconds will exceed, it will show the error, fatal error, minimum execution time of n number of seconds exceeded. So we will update both of them. Let's see how. You need to go to the server again, go to your cPanel. Remember, we installed WordPress. So these are all the WordPress files. Herein guys, go to your server. Herein you need to go to your WP config file, right click. You can download it first so that you can keep a backup in case of any error. We have downloaded it, backup. Now right click, edit. Yes, edit. Now guys, for time limit, reach here, press enter. Herein write set underscore time underscore limit, and in brackets set the seconds. It was 30 right now. You can set it to, let's say, I'll set it to 300. Okay guys, now you can click on save. Don't forget the semicolon. You can also mention the section for max input wires. So let's say set the following. This is for max input wires. That's it. Now click on save changes. We have clicked on it. Now let us go to the website. We have reached the website. Let us refresh. So guys, now you can see we have fixed the following, but we are still missing the solution for this. So it's very easy. Go to cPanel. Herein we edited WP config file. Right click, edit, edit. So guys, if you remember, just before this, we added the following two. The first one fixed the time limit issue, but this failed in fixing. So we will just remove it and click on save changes. So I'll go to the cPanel again. These are our files. So guys, herein Go to file, create a new file, name it .user.ini. Okay, and click on create new file. Here it is, .ini file. Right click, edit here, and herein type the code for max input wires. I'll click on save changes, and guys, this will fix the issue. You can remove this if SourceChain is not installed. I'll remove this and click on save changes. Now you can see both the issues will fix. So guys, after fixing the issues, we will go to import again, and I'll type the theme. Factory, click on it. I'll select all and import attachments, yes, and I'll click on import. Let's click on import to import. So guys, now you can see we have successfully imported it. Import is completed. Now let us open the website again. demo.worldinfo.com. Press enter. Now you can see our site will look similar to what we saw before. That means all the demo content imported. Here it is. You can see on our subdomain. Okay, so now click on cross. Go to plugins. Now you can see guys, it automatically added some plugins. With that, I'll go to post, and herein you can see it automatically added post. Go to pages. Here it is. It has added all these pages. Here are the pages, and the following you saw these pages. So all these pages are here. So guys, in this video we installed Bridge theme. After that we imported a demo theme. Before that we also fixed two PHP issues, time limit as well as the maximum variables issue. And after that we successfully imported the theme. Here you can see it's looking similar. Now we can easily change it and create a website. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.